Good morning, my dear students. Today I am telling you the next part of cash generated from operating activity. Suppose the question is given in the form of balance sheet. So we read the question like here. Here assets are given and here it is equities and liabilities are given. So first we put tick mark which items which we will transfer in our cash generated from operating activity. Now, please see the format first. You might have learned this format. The very first is calculation of cash generated from operating activity. This heading you will write. Here particulars, details, total. The very first item we write profit before tax. I have told you in my previous video. Then what we do? Add non-cash and non-operating items. It may be given or maybe not given in the question. Then we less non-operating incomes and operating profit before working and capital changes. That is our first answer. After this I have told you in my previous video. Now today I am telling you this step. After getting operating profit, we have to add decrease in current assets. Again I am repeating, decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities. We will compare current year and previous year. If there is decrease in current assets, it will come in add. If there is increase in current liabilities, it will also be added. When we compare both and if there is increase, we get it in less. Increase in current asset, that we subtract. Decrease in current liability, that we also subtract. How? Now please see the question. The very first what we need? Profit before tax, non-cash item, non-operating incomes. This is not given in this balance sheet. First we observe it. So what we do? We start our question from here, operating profit. It is given. How? We see here reserve and surplus. Balance in statement of profit and loss. In previous year it was 80,000, 2011. In current year it is 1 lakh. So we have compared these two. There is an increase. So we write operating profit before working capital changes, that is 20,000. Clear? Now we have to compare current assets and current liabilities. We come to again balance sheet. We see the current liabilities. What we have to compare? Trade payables. Trade payables in previous year 2011 it is 60,000, 2012 70,000. This is our current liabilities. और करंट लायबिलिटी क्या हो रही है बच्चों? इंक्रीज हो रही है. कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है? 70,000 में 60,000 माइनस किया 10,000. So this 10,000, you see what we write? Increase in current liability. So what we do here, we will write increase in current liability. We will add and we will write this part over here. Now you see again other current liability. In previous year it is 50,000. Current year 55,000. Again an increase of 5,000. What will we do? This will also come in increase in current liability here. So we have to write increase in other current liabilities. Both the items will come in add. Now we go in current assets. Very first is current investment. It was 10,000. Now it is 5,000. you see in 2011, 2012. In 11 it was 10,000. Now it is 5,000. So it is decreasing. And when current assets decrease, देखो देखा ना, decrease in current assets. So current investment is decreasing here. How much? 5,000. So we will write again this in add. Third item we have written. What? Decrease in current investment. What is the next item? The next item is inventories, stock. Here it was 40,000, here it is 50,000. तो current assets क्या हो रही हैं? Increase हो रही हैं 10,000. So this 10,000, now we see the format, increase in current asset. तो ये हम कहाँ लिखेंगे बच्चों? लेस में. The first item we are getting that increase in inventories. यानी कि हमारी एसेट ज़्यादा हो रही हैं. क्या ज़्यादा हो रहा है? इन्वेंट्रीज. कितना ज़्यादा हो रहा है भाई इन्वेंट्रीज? देखते हैं. इट वॉज 40,000, यहाँ 50,000, तो 10,000 ज़्यादा हो रहा है. तो ये 10,000 कहाँ आएगा? यहाँ पर लेस के अंदर. फॉर्मेट को बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह याद कर लें. नेक्स्ट इज ये हो गया ट्रेड रिसीवेबल 40,000 एंड 50,000. ये भी क्या हो रहा है बच्चों? राइट, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. तो अगर इंक्रीज इन करंट एसेट से ये भी किस में आएगा? लेस में. तो इसको लिखने का तरीका, फॉर्मेट आप देख लीजिए, ये यहाँ ध्यान से. गुड. इस फॉर्मेट को आपको याद करना है. एंड यू सी इट्स आंसर. हाउ विल राइट? दिस वे. फर्स्ट विल राइट कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कैश जनरेटेड फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी. सबसे पहले क्या लिखा था हमने? ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बिफोर वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस. दिस इज 20,000. current year minus previous year. Then add decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities, and less increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities. We show all this in details, and we have got cash generated from operating activity. Please see it.